These are the fault codes I'm getting. I've already got this part, but it's hard to fit, bruh. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 24/7 Boost, and today's video is I haven't driven the VXR in over 5 days, so I need to drive it to recharge the battery and everything. So I thought, okay, if I'm gonna drive it, why not just do a POV? So that's today's video. I'm gonna do a POV, and yeah, man, let's get into it. Alright, off I go now. So right now I'm about to go get some gas, and yeah, sorry if it's quite shaky as well. Right guys, just got some petrol and take it on. So I'm gonna go down there. But yeah guys, I still got plans for the channel. You know what I mean? I still got a couple of plans. I'm trying to save up all the money now to just fix the engine and whatever. So many of these lights keep coming up and stuff on the dash. But I have all the a few little parts that I'm gonna need as well when the engine gets rebuilt. So it's about getting it rebuilt. I have everything literally for a stage. Is it stage 2 or stage 3? One of them. I have the injectors at home. I have the forged intercooler. What else do I have? Forged intercooler, air filter. You know what I mean? So I have the mods that I need to go more power, but I can't get a remap because of the engine, the state the engine's in. So yeah, that's where I'm at with it. Taking it for a little drive, man. I haven't driven it in a while, so. Oh dear, when the hell did they put a speed bump there? Is my car going to go over? Oh, flipping now and it just shut off. Fucking speed bump. That's what I'm saying, the car just shuts off. In the wrong position, the position sensor's gone, and I have it at home. See, look, you see what he's doing? That's not right, bro. You shouldn't be doing that. It's so irritating. You can see where it's revving to. You can see where it's revving to. The crankshaft position sensor at home, and I've also got the oil pressure sensor as well at home that needs to go in. That's why those lights keep coming up on the dash. That's what I'm saying, the car needs fixing, man. Like, it's a bit of a struggle right now trying to fix it because of this COVID thing. I'm not getting as much shift as I want to get. So, you know, it's just sitting there like, it's sitting there like it's a limiter. See, I don't know why. And it's lost power as well. I might as well just go back home now. It's lost power. Guys, the car's gone into limp mode, no power. Done it. No power, no power. No power whatsoever. It's gone into limp mode. Zero power whatsoever. My foot's on the floor. No power. No power whatsoever. And now it's got all these different lights have come on during this drive. You just know this car, man. And what guys, these are the fault codes I'm getting. I've already got this part, but it's hard to fit, bro. Like, 'cause I can't get the car high enough on my driveway. But these are the focus I'm getting. You know what I mean? Getting these on the dash. Sometimes the engine light. Just not sort it out, bro. Alright guys, I'm by a traffic light now. I'm gonna end the video. There because the car's playing up, giving all these troubles. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and support the thing. As I always say, I'm coming back with good content, good edits. The last video was weak. The last video I done, the editing was terrible. So I'm coming back with good edits, everything this year. So that's up, boom. Also, don't forget my clothing line, Drippy for life. As you can see, the face mask. And yeah, bless.